second, everybody, wherever you at, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Did I miss anything? TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. I think that covers all my bases. Anyway, it's your boy Tony, and I'm back in the lab. I won't say dungeon because I got downgraded from a shoe room, man cave situation to a little corner office space in the family den. You know what I'm saying? So I still got all my kicks, but now they've been relocated to a closet. So, but this right here, the Air Jordan 12 Cherry 2023 release. This is anticipated to come out October 28th, but you know how I do. I get my pairs early bird gets the worm, and I'm probably gonna have to get 2 of these worms. So this is as close as we're gonna get to OG specs, to the original 1997 design. Got your white quilted upper leather, red mud guards, you know what I'm saying? That classic zigzag pattern on the outsole, white 23, black Jumpman, sorry, white 23 in the back, and got your carbon fiber plate in there. I think this got full zoom air. I can't remember. Anyway, silver eyelets, 2-3 on the tongue. You know what I'm saying? This comes with 1 pair of laces. Retail on these joints, before I give you the wrong number. Retail on these, says $210. You know what I'm saying? I paid a little bit more. I paid that premium to get them early, so. But yeah, it's coming in a full-size run, so that means the infant gets a pair, you know what I'm saying? Your toddler, your big kid, you know what I'm saying? Wifey get a pair, your old man, you can get your pops a pair, because I know he had a pair back in 97, even though he didn't get you a pair. But yeah, man, let's hit you with a little B-roll and close the thing out. B-roll, man. This is the Air Jordan 12 Cherry. Let me get the other one for you. Here's a thumbnail. And this episode is brought to you by my brand, you know what I'm saying? It's brought to you by Black Triangle and my other brand, Good For You. ShopGoodForYou.com or BlackTriangleStore.com. Both will be down in the description, a link somewhere. And holla at your boy. I'm out.